Hello everybody, welcome to Quick and Candid Art Talks with Michael Carini, and today I want to talk about bartering. So one of the things that I'm a big believer in, a big proponent of, is the idea of balanced reciprocity, of give and take, of working with people. And part of that, I think for artists that can be beneficial, is the barter system. We've come to believe that we have to rely on money and currency as other people tell us currency has value, but that is not always true. As a small business, as someone that works with the local community, a lot of times the people that I interact with, the people whose services I use, they are interested in my services. So I'm a big believer in the barter system of trading. And you'll find that when you work the barter system, sometimes it almost seems even more beneficial, like you get even more out of it than you do with the dollar. So don't be afraid to try the barter system. Think about the services that you might use. Like for me, personally, I look for health services, massage services, things that I use on a daily basis. Now, if it's just somebody throwing out some random obscure service that I don't use, in my case, I probably would decline that and not work with that. I might make them an offer, but more so I'm looking at the services that I use on a daily basis. So if you're having trouble with business right now, step back, look at the services you use, and think about how maybe you could approach people and you can exchange services in a way that's mutually beneficial. Balanced reciprocity used to serve a lot of cultures in a wonderful, beautiful way, and we've been stripped of it. But it doesn't mean that we can't bring it back. So consider the barter system and let me know how it works for you.